Thanks so much for staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam. Part of the Storm Team Skycam network. Visibilities will continue to slowly drop. We're seeing some snow falling and snow blowing around out there, and winds will continue to increase, lofting more of that snow on up into the air. It's now down to 16, feels like -4. Those winds at time gusting over 30 miles per hour. They'll start gusting over 50 miles per hour here in the next few hours. Winds will continue to slowly ramp on up. It's also 16 over in Moorhead, 7 in Langdon, 8 in Devil's Lake. Temperatures will continue to slowly fall as we head through this afternoon. Still kind of mild off towards the east with temperatures in the upper 20s to near 30. Winds ramping up, at times gusting between 30 and 40 miles per hour. And again, they'll continue to increase. And as we head through the rest of the afternoon into this evening, even into tonight through about the midnight 1 a.m. hour, we're going to see those winds at times gusting over 50 miles per hour. That's going to create not only some very cold wind chills, but visibilities at or very close to zero for long stretches of time. Wind chills 12 below in Devil's Lake, -17 Langdon, -10 up into the Grand Forks area. And I mentioned the visibilities. We're down to a half a mile here in Fargo, half a mile in Gwinner, 3/4 of a mile in Valley City, also 3/4 of a mile in Wadena. And we'll continue to see these decrease even in areas where the snow has ended across northern portions of the valley. That wind going to continue to loft some of that fluffy snow, reducing the visibilities. Cloud cover, we've got a lot of that, and we're going to continue to see that as we head through the rest of the day today. Underneath the clouds, we are seeing the snow, and again, snow has pretty much ended across the northern valley. However, across the south, we've got some light snow falling here in Fargo, but look what's happening just off to the south. As the low continues to slowly make its way on off towards the northeast, getting more energy kicking back in. And we're going to see pockets of some moderate, maybe even some heavy snow over parts of southeastern North Dakota into west central Minnesota. And this may punch back up into northern portions of Minnesota as well. A lot more snow possible in addition to those strong and gusty winds. On the warm sector, tornado watch continues for parts of Louisiana and Mississippi. For us, we've got the snow. We'll see some off and on snow in parts of the southern valley. A lot of wind as we head through the latter portions of the afternoon through this evening into tonight, gusting over 50 miles per hour. And then the cold air continues to filter on in. By tomorrow morning, still breezy out there. Temperatures single digits above and below zero. Wind chills 20 to 30 below. And we're not going to warm up at all tomorrow. Single digits, slowly falling temperatures. And then with some clearing skies later on tomorrow evening, a fresh snowpack well below zero as we head through tomorrow night. How much more snow are we talking about? Up north, pretty much nothing. Maybe up to 2 inches as you get down south of Grand Forks. Fargo and Point South, 2 to 4 inches, maybe some locally higher amounts. And way down south for our far southern counties, 4 to 8, and maybe some locally higher amounts. Blizzard warning continues through 6 a.m. Winter storm warning continues through noon. Travel will become virtually impossible in many areas later on this afternoon once those peak winds kick in. Picture of the day, December rainbow in War Road. Thanks to Sarah for sending this in. Going to use as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. Windy, cold. Temperatures continue to fall tomorrow. Very cold. And how about the -21 for Saturday morning? Only in the single digits for highs Friday and Saturday. A brief warm-up Sunday. Now, if you're headed out and about on New Year's Eve, by midnight, we're anticipating wind chills of 20 to 30 below. So keep that in mind. We'll see some windy conditions there and maybe a few flakes of snow. We start off 2019 below zero and don't warm up above zero until January 2nd. So a lot going on out there. If you don't have to travel, stay home.
Some wise words.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Robert.